Hey guys, it's me. I am back from Asia and I got this PR package from Lancome for their Absolute Cream. It makes my face so glowy. Like, my face is so glowy and brighter than my future. I kind of just tap it in like that. I don't do anything fancy. Oh, and now I'm on to concealer. My thing broke, so I just dot it on my hand. You want to just, tap it and then put it where you need, like my dark circles. And honestly, the rest of it, I kind of just put it wherever. Like, corner of the mouth is very, very important. It kind of lifts your face there as well. I also use this as a base. This kind of brightens your eyes a little bit. I'm not wearing eyeshadow in this video though, so let's get going to mattifying my bright ass face. And as you can see, this mattifying powder is my tried and true. It makes my face less like a mirror and more like normal skin. And I'm gonna move on to contouring. This is just all the basic areas. I don't do too much during the daytime because I don't want to look crazy. And now I'm doing my nose. You kind of just brush it over, but make sure to connect your nose contour to your eyebrows. I think this makes it a lot more put together. And here I am just trying to blend everything in. Don't be afraid to use your fingers though. Oh, there's a fluff in my eye. I don't know how that got there. But anyway, that's my contour. Next, we're gonna move on to blush. This is my new tried and true. If you want a glowy finish blush, then this one is Chanel's Blush and Lip Balm in Healthy Pink. And I put it right under my eyes to cover my dark voids for eyes. And now I look alive. And next we're going to move on to eyebrows from Urban Decay. Thank you again, Urban Decay. And I think the first one that I will use is this ink brush. It's two-ended. This one is the crayon, and then the other side is the ink brush, both super thin, so you can draw on very precise hairs. And here I am trying to make up for what I don't have, which is my eyebrows. But I like fluffy eyebrows, so this definitely gives the illusion of way fluffier brows than I have. And here I am just filling in everything. It was super easy to use, honestly. And then I believe next I forgot to film the eyebrow gel, but that's fine. I'm moving on to mascara. So here I'm using the Heroin Makeup mascara. This keeps it up all day long. I don't do anything special to it. I just apply it and it's actually really nice. I decided to use more contour. This is Westman Atelier, and then I went back to use the eyebrow pencil. Now this elongation really helps. Trust, you need to try it, because if you draw your lines longer, it actually lengthens your eyes. And when you draw your eyeliner with the ink, do not cross that line. And this is how you create, in my opinion, an eyeliner that really suits your own eye shape. So you don't really have to follow cookie cutter eyeline shapes. This one, you just work with what you have, which is everything that I do. And tight lining is hard, so I had to do it off camera. This is number 20 Espresso and Chanel eyeliner. And here is my eye makeup. I'm not sure why I made that face, but now we're going to draw on some eye bags. So these are called aegyosal in Korean, I believe, and you basically just draw on eye bags and you highlight it to make your eyes look bigger. I went in with more eyeshadow to accentuate that line, and I made it even puffier with a very extreme highlighter. And now I'm just finishing up my makeup and stuff. If you guys want to know more about products, or if you want to know how I buy my makeup or how I shop in general, any questions, honestly, just let me know in the comments down below. I'm gonna put all of these products in the description so you guys won't miss out. Remember, we don't gatekeep here. Bye.